Imagine running your entire marketing department, emails, ads, social posts, customer follow-ups, in a fraction of the time it takes now. No massive budget, no fancy degree, and no 80-hour work weeks. That's not a dream. It's what smart entrepreneurs, small business owners, and solo creators are doing every single day with AI-powered marketing tools. If you've ever felt stuck trying to keep up with content creation, social media, or ad campaigns, today's video is your new playbook. Welcome to Opportunity Economy, where we turn ideas into income and help beginners, small business owners, entrepreneurs, retirees, and career pivoters launch and grow smarter, not harder. If you're ready to save time, cut costs, and scale your sales using AI tools you can start using for free, hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell so you don't miss any of our weekly videos. In this video, I'm sharing 10 AI-powered marketing hacks that will help you create high-converting content in minutes, automate your social media and email marketing, personalize campaigns like a pro, and track results with smarter analytics. These are not futuristic theories. They're tools you can start using today, even if you have zero tech skills. Why AI marketing is a game changer. Before we dive into the hacks, let's set the stage. AI isn't just a buzzword, it's a business accelerator. Here's why it matters. 1. Speed and efficiency. AI handles repetitive tasks like scheduling posts, writing captions, or segmenting email lists in seconds. 2. Cost savings. Many tools have free plans, meaning small businesses can access capabilities that used to require entire teams. 3. Better targeting. AI analyzes data in real time, allowing you to send the right message to the right person at the right time. 4. Scalability. Whether you're a one-person operation or growing fast, AI systems scale with you. Think of AI as your always-on marketing assistant that works 24/7. Section 2. The 3 pillars of AI marketing success. Before jumping into tools, remember these 3 principles to get the best results. Clarity over chaos. Know your goal, sales, engagement, lead generation before you automate. Consistency over perfection. A steady stream of content beats a perfect one-off post. Creativity AI. AI gives you a head start, but your human touch, your story, your brand voice is what makes marketing unforgettable. With that foundation in place, let's dive into the good stuff. Preview of the 10 hacks. Here's a quick overview of the hacks we'll cover. 1. AI content writing. 2. Social media scheduling and auto captions. 3. Personalized email sequences. 4. Automated ad targeting. 5. Video creation and editing with AI. 6. Smart chatbots for customer support. 7. AI-powered SEO research. 8. Predictive analytics for campaigns. 9. Voice and audio marketing automation. 10. AI-driven design tools. Each hack will include what it does, recommended free tools, step-by-step starting guide, real-life example. Grab a notebook or download the free AI marketing hack sheet in the description so you can follow along. Segue to hack number 1. All right, let's kick things off with the first hack, one that will cut your content creation time in half. Hack number 1, AI content writing. Your 24/7 copywriter. Think of AI content writers like a friendly barista who never sleeps. You give them the order, your topic, a few keywords, or a short brief, and seconds later, they hand you a perfectly brewed blog draft, ad copy, or social caption. Recommended tools. ChatGPT Claude Gemini, great for blog posts, captions, email copy. Copy.ai, beginner-friendly templates for product descriptions and ads. Quick start. 1. Pick one piece of content you dread writing, e.g. a weekly newsletter. 2. Tell the AI your topic, target audience, and tone, upbeat but professional. 3. Use the draft as a starting point. Add your story or examples to keep it authentic. Story moment. I once worked with a small bakery owner, Sarah, who spent 3 hours every Sunday writing Facebook posts. We tested Copied AI, and within 15 minutes, she had a month of posts drafted. She still added her personal notes about new cupcakes, but AI saved her over 10 hours a month, time she now spends experimenting with recipes. Hack number 2. Social media scheduling and auto captions. Your personal pilot. Managing social accounts can feel like juggling flaming torches. AI scheduling tools are like a co-pilot who maps the route and keeps you on course even while you sleep. Recommended tools: Buffer, Later, or Metricool for scheduling and analytics. CapCut or Descript for automatic video captions, boosting accessibility and engagement. Quick start. 1. Batch create 4 or 5 posts using hack number 1. 2. Upload them to Buffer or Later. 3. Let the tools suggest the best posting times based on when your audience is online. Analogy: imagine setting a slow cooker in the morning and returning to a perfectly cooked dinner. That's social scheduling. Set it, forget it, and still feed your audience. Real example: a solopreneur life-chose Later's AI timing tool and saw a 30% jump in engagement without posting more often. Just smarter. Personalized email sequences. Your digital concierge. Think of email marketing like inviting someone into your home. A warm welcome and thoughtful follow-ups turn strangers into loyal guests. AI tools act like a concierge who remembers each visitor's preferences and automatically sends the right message at the right time. Recommended tools: MailChimp with AI Content Optimizer writes subject lines and predicts send times. HubSpot Free CRM creates automated if-this-then-that email flows. Quick start: 1. Create a free account and upload a small list, even 20 people. 2. Write a 3-email sequence: a welcome and free helpful tip or story. Soft call to action: book a call, download guide. 3. Let the AI suggest subject lines that improve open rates. Story moment: a retired teacher pivoting to online tutoring used MailChimp's AI to test 2 subject lines. The AI chosen one, your free 5-minute learning game inside, doubled her open rate and booked her first paying client without spending a dime on ads. Takeaways so far: with just these first 3 hacks, you can draft weeks of content in a single afternoon, post automatically at the perfect time, welcome subscribers with tailor-made emails. Together, they form the Create, Schedule, Connect triangle, giving you visible results before you even tackle paid ads or analytics. Hack number 4. Smart ad targeting, your 24/7 audience detective. Running ads can feel like throwing darts in the dark. AI flips the light switch. Recommended tools: Meta Plus, Facebook, Instagram ads, Google Ads Smart Campaigns. AdCreative.ai for AI-generated ad creatives and headlines. Beginner-friendly analogy: imagine hiring a private detective who knows exactly which street your best customers walk down and which coffee shop they hang out in. AI advertising tools track patterns, interests, browsing behavior, even shopping habits to put your offer right in their path. Quick start steps: 1. Pick a simple goal, e.g., get email signups or sell 1 product. 2. Use Meta Advantage Plus to set a budget as low as $5 a day. 3. Let the AI auto-test audiences and placements while you focus on content. Story moment: a beginner Etsy seller selling handmade journals used AdCreative.ai to produce 3 ad variations. The AI's winning design doubled her click-through rate on a $30 budget. Hack number 5. AI video creation and editing, your personal film crew. Video converts more than any other format, but editing can eat your weekend. AI video tools act like a full production crew in your laptop. Recommended tools: InVideo or Lumen 5 turn blog posts into shareable videos in minutes. Descript: edit video by editing text, delete a word, and the clip disappears. Opus Clip auto creates short clips for YouTube Shorts or Reels. Beginner analogy: think of Descript like a word processor for video. Instead of dragging timelines and cutting frames, you simply highlight and delete text, and the software edits the footage for you. If you can edit a Word doc, you can edit a video. Quick start steps: 1. Take a blog post or podcast episode. 2. Drop it into InVideo or Lumen 5. 3. Customize branding, colors, logo, music, and export. Story moment: a retired nurse starting a wellness channel repurposed her old blog posts into polished videos using Lumen 5. Within 2 weeks, she had a full content library without touching a camera. Bonus tip: integrate for maximum impact. The magic happens when these tools talk to each other. Here's a beginner roadmap for a no extra hours marketing engine. 1. Create content with ChatGPT, hack number 1. 2. Schedule posts with Buffer, hack number 2. 3. Build email flows in MailChimp, hack number 3. 4. Run ads via Meta Advantage, hack number 4. 5. Repurpose into video with Lumen 5, hack number 5. This is like assembling a Lego set. Each brick is powerful alone, but together they create an automated machine that runs while you sleep. Out to action. You've just discovered 5 powerful AI marketing hacks that can save you dozens of hours every month. Which one are you trying first? Drop a comment below with the tool you're most excited to test. Download the free AI automation checklist linked in the description to start implementing today. And if you're serious about building a business that works for you, not the other way around, hit subscribe and turn on notifications. Your smartest business move starts
Hack
here.
number
6. Customer support chatbots, your 24/7 virtual assistant. Customer questions never sleep, but you don't need to stay glued to your inbox. AI chatbots act like a friendly front desk staff who greets every visitor, even at 2 a.m. Recommended tools: ManyChat for Facebook, Instagram, DM automation. Tidio for website chat plus email integration. Intercom for larger businesses needing advanced features. Beginner analogy: picture a hotel concierge who never takes a break. Guests can ask about amenities, directions, or checkout times at any hour and get a warm, instant answer. That's what a chatbot does for your business. Quick start steps. 1. Pick one simple task, e.g. answering FAQs. 2. Use Tidio's drag-and-drop builder to set up automated responses. 3. Link to a human follow-up for complex issues. Story moment: a local fitness trainer added ManyChat to her Facebook page. Within a week, the bot booked 3 paid consultations without her lifting a finger. Hack number 7. Predictive analytics, your crystal ball for sales. Imagine knowing which products will sell next month before your customers do. Predictive analytics uses AI to spot patterns in your sales and audience data. Recommended tools: Google Analytics predictive metrics, Zoho Analytics, HubSpot forecasting. Quick start steps: 1. Connect Google Analytics to your website or store. 2. View predictive metrics to see which products or pages are likely to convert. 3. Use the data to plan inventory, promotions, or content. Beginner analogy: think of it as weather forecasting for your business. If AI predicts high demand for a product, you bring the umbrella, stock up, and advertise before the storm of orders hits. Hack number 8. AI-powered graphic design, your on-demand designer. Consistent branding is key, but not everyone is a Photoshop wizard. AI design tools can create professional visuals in minutes. Recommended tools: Canva Magic Design auto-generates branded templates. Designs.ai creates logos, videos, and social posts. Looka for fast, custom logo creation. Beginner analogy: imagine walking into a bakery where every cake is frosted perfectly, without the baker lifting a piping bag. That's Canva Magic Design for your brand. Quick start steps: 1. Upload your logo or choose your brand colors. 2. Let Canva Magic Design suggest templates. 3. Customize text and export in one click. Story moment: a first-time podcaster used Canva Magic Design to create a professional cover in 10 minutes before recording a single episode. Hack number 9. AI SEO optimizers, your digital traffic coach. SEO can feel like a maze of keywords and algorithms. AI tools simplify it by recommending exactly what to write and how to rank. Recommended tools: Surfer SEO generates SEO outlines. RankIQ, beginner-friendly keyword selection. Ubersuggest, free keyword and content ideas. Beginner analogy: think of SEO like baking a cake for picky judges. Google AI gives you the exact recipe: flour, keywords, sugar, headlines, and baking time, meta tags, so your content rises to the top. Quick start steps: 1. Enter your topic into RankIQ. 2. Use the suggested keywords in your blog post or video description. 3. Track rankings with Ubersuggest's free dashboard. Hack number 10. Voice and video AI translators. Go global instantly. Why limit your audience to one language when AI can open the world? These tools translate or dub your content into multiple languages without hiring voice actors. Recommended tools: HeyGen AI generates realistic voiceovers in dozens of languages. DeepL for accurate text translation. YouTube Auto Translate built-in captions for instant reach. Beginner analogy: it's like having a personal interpreter whispering in 20 languages at once, letting you connect with customers in Spain, Nigeria, and Japan overnight. Quick start steps: 1. Upload your existing video to HeyGen. 2. Select a target language and voice style. 3. Export a multilingual version ready to upload. Story moment: a small Etsy shop translated their product demo videos into Spanish using HeyGen. Within 3 weeks, their international sales jumped 25%. Key takeaways and action plan: these 10 AI hacks are more than tools. They're a new way of running your business. Create smarter content, design video, connect faster, chatbots, predict growth, analytics, SEO. Pick just one hack this week. Test it. Track the time you save. Then layer in another. Even one tool like ChatGPT or Canva Magic Design can free 5 to 10 hours a week. If this video gave you at least one idea to save time and grow smarter, give it a like and share it with another entrepreneur. Comment below with the AI hack you'll try first. Grab your free AI automation checklist in the description. It's packed with links and quick start steps. And don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell so you never miss the next Opportunity Economy video. Let's build smarter, not harder.